Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon, good morning, or even good evening to those who are watching. Now today, I will be making a video on how to use Canva. Now the first step of using Canva is obviously having the website open, and as you can see, I have already opened mine. Now, I would like to make a poster. To make a poster, you will have to select the poster option. Now here, this is a finished poster. As you can see, the poster has a wallpaper, has an element, and also a text. To colorize your poster, you will have to click on the poster itself, and then you're gonna have to hover your cursor over here, where you could see background color. Here, you could choose a variety of colors to choose from for you to color your poster. Next, as you can see here, there is a sprout. To add this sprout, you will have to search on the element page. Here, I have written Ira Sutoya because the uploader of this sprout is named Ira Sutoya. Now here, there is a variety of options to choose from, but I chose the sprout. And so, I click on this. And so I and you will have to click on this, and then it will appear here, where you have to arrange it yourself. Lastly, let's just say you wanted to add text to your poster, to your creation. To do that, you will have to go over here and select the text option, and then you will select the size of which that you want. For example, there is 3 options here, right? But I chose the biggest one because the smaller one would not be suitable for my poster. That is all that you have to know if you want to create something on Canva. And that is all for now. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.